With just 2 weeks left to the Makueni senatorial by-election, it is now clear that Diana Kethi Kilonzo, the daughter to the late Makueni Senator Mutula Kilonzo, will not be in the ballot. This follows a ruling by the IEBC tribunal that Kethi, who had earlier been issued with a certificate of nomination by the IEBC to vie on a Wiper ticket, is not a registered voter.
Based on the evidence and submissions before the committee, we find that the first respondent is not a registered voter as evidence as emphasized by Section 2 of the Elections Act.
Following this, the tribunal thus revoked the nomination certificate.
The first respondent, having not been validly nominated, her nomination certificate issued to her by the returning officer Makueni County on the 27th of June 2013 is hereby revoked.
In its ruling, the tribunal said that Kethi's document, with which she claims to have registered as a voter, could not have been valid.
It's clear that by dint of registration section 3A and 3B of the Elections Regulation, Registration of Voters Regulation, the first respondent would not have been validly registered as a voter since, by our own admission, she did not have our original identification card or passport as required to register as a voter.
The Letangule-led tribunal spent 2 days on Friday and Saturday listening to the petition filed by 2 voters against Kilonzo challenging her eligibility in the contest on claims that she is not a registered voter. The lawyer of the Wiper Democratic Movement, TJ Kajwang, has however said that they will move to the High Court to block the revocation of Kethi's nomination as ordered by the IEBC.
My client is an active participant in these elections, and we also have a right to the High Court. And so I would ask the committee to fast track the printing, the typing and the printing of these proceedings so that my client is able therefore to exercise its rights.
NAC's candidate in the race, Professor Philip Kaloki, who was also facing eligibility queries, however had his nomination upheld today after the complainant, who accused him of party hopping, failed to show up before the tribunal on Saturday for his hearing.
We find that the clearance of the first respondent by the second respondent to vie for the post of the Senator Makueni County in the by-election scheduled for the 22nd of July was valid.
With Kethi's nomination annulled, the race will be left to Labour Party of Kenya candidate Jane Wavinya, former Kilome MP Harun Mwau, who will be vying on a PIC ticket, and former Kibwezi MP Philip Kaloki vying on a NAC ticket. But the ruling by the IEBC tribunal striking Kethi out of the Makueni race has elicited sharp reactions from the members of the public. And as a result of the dissatisfaction with the ruling, the Wiper Party's legal team representing Kethi Kilonzo have vowed to explore alternative options to see Kethi in the July 22nd ballot.
We all must be concerned. We all must be concerned. And so for us, we intend to pursue this matter further, especially just the constitutionality of these proceedings.
Winnie Kiziah for Channel 1 News Hour.